AI is revolutionizing industries around the world, and remote work is no exception. As businesses continue to adapt to new technologies, the demand for remote roles has been reshaped by artificial intelligence in exciting and sometimes unexpected ways. AI is automating repetitive tasks, allowing professionals to focus on higher-level creative and strategic activities. In fields like customer service, data entry, and even marketing, AI tools are handling routine operations, freeing up time for remote workers to deliver more value. One of the biggest changes AI brings is the creation of entirely new job categories. Roles like AI trainers, prompt engineers, and data annotators are now emerging, offering fresh opportunities for remote work seekers. These positions require human judgment to fine-tune machine learning models and provide critical feedback. AI-driven platforms are also transforming how we search for remote jobs. Intelligent algorithms on sites like LinkedIn and ZipRecruiter provide tailored job recommendations based on your skills, experience, and preferences. This personalization makes the job search process faster and more effective. For freelancers, AI tools have become essential in improving productivity and delivering higher quality work. Platforms like Upwork and Fiverr are incorporating AI features to match freelancers with clients more efficiently and ensure better project outcomes. Another significant development is the rise of virtual collaboration tools powered by AI. These tools are enhancing communication and project management for remote teams, breaking down barriers caused by different time zones and cultural differences. Features like automated meeting notes, language translation, and intelligent scheduling are becoming commonplace. AI is reshaping the world of work, but it's not just a story of disruption. It's also a story of innovation and growth. Remote workers who adapt to these changes and harness the power of AI will find themselves at the forefront of exciting new opportunities. Whether you're a freelancer, an entrepreneur, or a full-time remote employee, now is the time to explore how AI can help you work smarter, create more value, and achieve greater success in your career.